This reading activity says read a story and upload a 5-finger retell on Seesaw. Seesaw is the app or the website. You'll notice I wrote the word story in all capital letters. That's because you can't do a 5-finger retell with a teaching book, only with a storybook. So choose your favorite story or a brand new story, read it yourself, have someone else read it to you, whatever you like, and then you're going to do a 5-finger retell on Seesaw like this. If you click the picture of the little Seesaw icon here, it will take you to the Seesaw app or website. Once you get signed into Seesaw, you're going to see this activity, 5-finger retell, and it tells you what to do. I'll show you here as well. So click on Add Response. That's the green rectangle with the plus. It says Add Response. Now you've got this 5-finger retell picture to help you remember what a 5-finger retell is. First, we tell the characters, then the setting, then the beginning, the middle, and the end of the story. So I'm going to go over here and click record. See the little microphone? That's going to record my voice while I do the 5-finger retell. So here we go. Oh, it wants to use my microphone? That's okay. Ooh, recording in 3, 2, 1. The characters in the story, The Night Before St. Patrick's Day, are the brother and sister, the mom, and then at the end, a leprechaun. The setting is inside of their house. At the beginning of the story, it's the night before St. Patrick's Day, and the boy and the girl decorate their house for St. Patrick's Day. In the middle of the story, they set traps and go to bed, hoping to catch a leprechaun. And at the end, they catch the leprechaun, and he tells them where to find the golden treasure. But it turns out it was just a trick. He didn't show them where to get the treasure, and then he disappeared. When I'm done recording my 5-finger retell, I go over here and I click pause. And then up here, I click done. Then I have to click this little check mark again. And then I just uploaded it onto the journal so that my teacher will be able to watch it. So when you do it, I'll be able to see yours, and so will your parents. Good luck. Can't wait to see your 5-finger retells on Seesaw.